All right, ladies and gentlemen. So it's just about dinner time, and I was gonna do a cast iron Wednesday video this week, but it's not very often I kind of go off the rails and do some kind of other kind of cooking video, but this is so good I had to share it with you. So stand by. We're gonna make something really good. All right, guys, so here's what you're going to need for this. Breakfast sausage, we went with Jimmy Dean because it's the best. 1.5 pounds of hamburger, 2 eggs, onion, depending on how much you like onion. I used a whole onion, Worcestershire sauce, and stovetop. Mixing everything together in the bowl, make sure that you really work it all together and don't drop it on the counter. Dang it, man. All right. Anyway, getting back to it. Make sure you really mix everything together well. And don't do what I did. Don't forget the Worcestershire sauce, okay? After you get everything mixed together, you're going to put it in low form in cellophane and put it in the freezer for 35 minutes. Don't skip this step because it's going to help everything stick together while it's on the grill. That's the charcoal we're using. I love lump coal. It's natural wood, so it brings out an awesome flavor to the meat. Yeah, and I gotta play with fire sometimes, so I use more lighter fluid than anybody I've ever seen. But anyway, after you get the grill lit, make sure that it's 300 degrees before you put the meatloaf on. Make sure that you don't forget to take the meatloaf out of the cellophane before you put it on the grill. All right, there it is after it's been on the grill for a while. It's probably, at this point, it's probably been on the grill about maybe an hour, maybe an hour and a half. Check the inside temperature. Once it reaches 150 degrees, you're gonna put the barbecue sauce on it. Whatever barbecue sauce flavor you like. We just use Sweet Baby Ray's, sweet and spicy. That's my favorite flavor of Sweet Baby Ray's. So that's what I used. It was on the grill probably a total of like 2 hours and 10 minutes. It's awesome. Here's the finished product. And here's your taste test right here. If my wife's stupid, ignorant bird likes this food, you're going to like this food because this bird is pickier than hell. All right, you guys. Another dinner in the books. Another dad success. I'll tell you what, since I started making meatloaf this way, my family won't eat it any other way. And I got to encourage you to make it yourself. It is fantastic. We love it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. We love you. We'll see you next time.